I can start reading to you guys again are the ones that we're reading in class together. So don't forget that Monday we will be checking your page goals, so you need to make sure you make those. Excuse me. So yesterday, and I haven't been to school yet to check the sub plans from today. I'm probably going to go this morning to you guys. To me right now, I'll go in the morning before I leave to go downtown, and I'm going to check those and make sure everything's in line for today. But you were supposed to have taken your first poetry collection test. So I hope you did well on that. You were able to use your book, so that should have helped a little bit. But you guys have been working hard. You've been analyzing some poems. You've been working on some poem vocabulary. So I thought for the rest of today and then tomorrow after you get done reading with kindergarten, I thought I would give you a fun little assignment to work on. So you are going to be writing a poem. And the directions that I have written for you in the sub-plan. So I said that you are going to be writing a poem, and it needs to be 30 lines minimum. So if you have more, great, but you have to have 30 lines. And you have, like I said, the rest of class today and then all of class tomorrow after you get done reading to the kindergartners. And if you don't get done, that's fine. We can kind of wrap things up on Monday, and we can share them and have like maybe a little fun poetry reading. But I want you to write a 30-line poem about a subject in school, or if you would like to write it about one of the teachers in the middle school, you can do that. I have makeup on my face, but just ignore that. So just to give you a little idea, I do not care. I do want you to do some sort of rhyme scheme. So I don't care if that's A, B, B, C, C, or A, B, B, A, B, B. Mine is just every stanza is 2 lines, and each of those stanzas rhyme. So I only got to 20 lines because it's 8:41, and as you guys know, I'm going to bed here soon after I finish this video for you. So I got to 20 lines. I wrote mine about the gym. I'm going to put that into Google Classroom so you can look at it as a reference. One little tip I will give you for writing poetry, especially when you're trying to rhyme, is sometimes you have to like reorder the words, the order in which you write the words in your poem, just so that you can make sure your line ends with a word that is going to be easy to rhyme with. So sometimes lines in a poem might sound funny, but that's just because the author or the poet was trying to make sure that the rhyme pattern or the rhyme scheme was being met. So, like I said, I will put my poem into Google Classroom that you can use as an example, but I'm going to read it to you right now. To the gym I love to go, but do I really love it though? Running on treadmills for miles and miles, does it really give me that many smiles? How about the elliptical machine? Will it really help me get lean? Some people prefer to lift weights. Others decide to go to find dates. That place is always so busy and packed. Does anybody really need to be that jacked? Go early and you can miss the crowd. Sadly, your alarm will not be proud. The workers there are really nice, except it's probably a good place to pick up head lice. Make sure to drink enough water. The harder you go, it gets hotter and hotter. I prefer to go there alone. To use the new equipment I've never been shown. Are you one who goes to just hang? Or maybe you are found basketball playing? So that's my poem. I probably wrote it in the last couple minutes. I've always loved to write poetry, but I think it's going to take you guys a little bit longer. So shoot for 30 lines. If you get more, that's great. I can't wait to read them. And if you have any questions, just ask the sub. Also, if you need to email me if you're having any issues with anything going on, just let me know. And like I said, I will hope to be back on Monday. Bye.